Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on my F-150. This is the 2016 project truck, and I just took the grill off. I was going to change the grill out. I haven't put it back on yet because if you look here, look at the radiators here. Covered in bugs. They're just covered in bugs right now, man. I don't know. This is what happens after 266,000 miles. So I'm going to get that pressure washer out on this thing and try to get some of these bugs out of here, clean these radiators up a little bit. Maybe, hopefully just some water. I might get a brush and try to scrub it a little bit, but we'll work on that here. Alright, I got it all sprayed off. If you can see here, there's little paint chips out of the radiator grills. And I think that's just from rock chips or bugs hitting that, just taking the paint off. So as I've sprayed that, it's exposed the bare metal, and I've gotten a lot of those bugs out. So pretty happy with how that's turned out. Hopefully that'll help the cooling a little better too. So I'm just getting this grill put back on. In my last video, I was putting a all black gloss grill on with this black logo, this black emblem here. And after just test fitting it up to it, I really saw that I didn't really like how it looks. It looked kind of cheap, plasticky. The blacks didn't match, so I figured I'm just going to put the old one back on. I can't reverse the logo, so I already painted the logo here, the emblem. So I'm going to leave that black. I think it looks actually pretty good black with the, there's already black and chrome all over the truck, so I think that looks okay. I'm going to try to keep looking for a grill that will fit. I want to find a Raptor grill maybe to see how that's going to work. So the grill project kind of put on hold, so I'm just getting this put back together here. So just finishing up these final clips. Putting it back together is pretty straightforward, pretty similar as far as the process of disassembling. Reassembling is pretty similar. So I'm going to get this finished up, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, I got the grill all put back together. Got all the trim pieces, these side headlight pieces. This is all pretty straightforward. It's kind of a pain. I mean, even if you're just trying to change out the emblem, the Ford emblem here, you have to still do the same whole process. Take out these side panels here, take the whole grill off the top. So it's kind of a process. So I'm going to keep looking for a grill and kind of go from there. But thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned in the next video when we're going to work on some more maintenance items on the truck.